Well, Steve the Teacher strikes again. I tripped backwards on my boat, almost fell in, grabbed the gunnels just to catch myself, and now there's blood all over the place. I haven't looked. It's coming somewhere from the bottom of my foot. Let's see. You'll get the first look. Oh, yeah! I don't know if you can see that. Don't know what I did there. But it's gushing good. Wow. Hope blood doesn't stain the carpet here. Against my better judgment, I'm gonna put my foot in the water and clean it out. Look at the water there. Wow. Wow. It's always something. Ow. Ow. Does sting like a bitch. Here, look at my blood. Hey, wouldn't that be a great worm color?